Hello everyone, welcome to www.MyOnlineEdu.com's video tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll write a program to demonstrate the printing of all the digits of an entered number from right to left using while loop. So this demonstration will be done using a while loop. Okay, so let us see what is being asked over here. Us to do is, we are writing a program to print all the digits of an entered number from right to left. For an example, if the entered number is 10, so we have to print the digits which from right to left. So that is 0 first and then 1. If it is 1 to 3, then again, from right to left it will be 3, then 2, then 1. So if it is 5, 6, 7, 3, then right to left digits will be printed. So 3 first, 7, 6, 5. So before writing the program, let us first think about what we are going to do. That is called the deciding the algorithm. So what we are doing here is we are deciding the algorithm to before jumping to write the program directly, and that's a good practice. So what we have been asked, if a number, let's say entered number is 1 to 3, we have to single out the digits that it has. Okay, so 3 will be singled out, so we have to tell that okay, this number consists 3, this number consists 2, and this number consists 1. So similarly, if there is a 4-digit number, let's say 5, 6, 7, 3, then we have to single out this 3, this 7, this 6, and this 5. So we have to print that okay, whatever the number that you have entered, that entered number consists of these digits from right to left. Okay, and remember that this is a dynamic program, that there is no limit on the digits on the number. For example, it can be 10, which is a two-digit number. It can be 1, 2, 3, which is a 3-digit number, and it can be 5, 6, 7, 3, which is a 4-digit number. So let's take the number of steps. This is our number, and this is our reminder. Okay, so we know that if we 1 to 3, if we remind it by 10, we get a digit 3, and 1 to 3, if divided by 10, we get another integer number which is 12. So just think about this. If we mod by 10, modulus operator by 10, we got the last digit of the number, correct? And then the single out, we single out the rightmost digit, and if we divide the 1 to 3 by 10, we got another number, a number which is basically without the last digit, correct? So 3 is not here. So let's take an example of this. Okay, how we are going to do it. So basically in our step 0, so that is our first step. We have entered the number, let's say, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4, let's say. So this is our step 0, so our reminder is nothing, there is no reminder. Now we are going into our first step. Okay, so what we are going to do is, we are first doing 1, 2, 3, 4 mod 10. So basically the reminder will be 4 here, and then if we do 1, 2, 3 divide by 1, 2, 3, 4 divide by 10, so our number will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we got our last digit as a 4, and we got a number 1, 2, 3. Now in a second operation, now we have a number here. Okay, so basically what we are doing here is, first we are putting that whatever the number mod 10 into a reminder, then we are doing number is equal to number divided by 10. Okay, so in this step 2, what will happen is, we'll get 3 over here in a reminder, and then 12 is the number that we'll get. Okay, in step 3, what we'll get over here is 1, and 2 will be our reminder, and in our step 4, it will be 0 and it will be 1. So see, we have got the numbers, that is 4, 3, 2, 1, which is been required. So basic fundamental algorithm for this program is, if we perform a modulus operation by by 10, then we get the remainder, which is our last digit of the number. And then if we divide the number by 10 and assign the result to our number, then we just get rid of the last digit of the number. So we have a new number to us, and this continues in a loop. Basically, see this thing, the whole thing, it continues in a loop, right? Excuse me. So now let's go to our program to see. I have written this program. Okay, so this is the program, so it's nothing. I'll explain this program, but first, let us run this. Let's see whether we are getting the desired result or not. So success, compilation, and then running it. So let us first put a two-digit number. So the digits from right to left are 0 and 1, which is correct. Now let us run it. So 1, 2, 3. This is also correct. Then again run it. So enter a positive number. Let's say this time 5673. The digits from right to left are 3, 7, 6, 5. Okay, this is also correct. So what is happening over there is, let us explain now what is happening over there, how the program is working. So this is the program that you got. So basically these are the the basic hash include, which you have to write to include the header files, and then the void main. Now I am declaring two variables with a number and rem, which is our reminder, which is going to store reminder, and number is our entered number. So let's say what is happening when you declare this thing. So in memory, two memory blocks will be assigned for an integer. So this will be our reminder, correct? So now I am asking to enter a positive number. So let's say example 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the number that we have entered. So then I am printing this thing, and then I am doing this while number is greater than 0. I am iterating through this loop till the time number is greater than 0. Okay, so now the first step, what I am doing is I am putting a reminder is number mod 10. So if the number mod 10, reminder will be 4, correct? Okay, so that 4 is getting printed over here. Then what I am doing is I am doing number is equal to number divided by 10. So if I divide 1, 2, 3, 4 by 10, what I will get is 1, 2, 3, not 4, without 4, right? So this 4 is not here now. So my number is 1, 2, 3 now. Okay, so I already have printed this one. So now our instructions from here, again it is going here to test. Again it is going here to test, whether the number is greater than 0. So now the number is 1, 2, 3, which is greater than 0. So again it will come inside the while loop and then execute this from here. So now reminder is number mod 10. So now reminder will be 3, correct? So instead of 4, it will be 3 now. Okay, and then the 3 will be printed, and then again what we are doing a number is equal to number mod 10. So now number will be only 1 and 2, that is 12. Okay, so again it will go to check the while condition, and it will find that this condition is still true because 12 is greater than 0, and it will come over here. And then reminder is number mod 10. So now my reminder will be 2, and I'll print 2. Okay, and then number will be divided by 10, which is, now this thing will not be there. Now number contains 1. So again it will go up here. Okay, and then 1 is greater than 0, so which is true. Again it will come here, and my remainder will be 1. Okay, and then 1 will be printed, and 1 divided by 10, now my number becomes 0, remember. So this one, now my number becomes 0, right? So 0 is greater than 0, which is false. That is why the while, from here the instruction will come over here at the end of the while. Okay, and which is get ch, and get ch will be printed and will be executed, and then the program will stop here. Hope you have understand this. If you have any questions or comments, just put it over in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.